Hello, my most amazing artists. Today we're going to make a dot just like Vashti in the story, The Dot. We are going to work with markers today and a white piece of paper. So when you find your tables today, the first thing you're going to look for is your white piece of paper. This will be in a basket at your table. Second thing you need to find is a pencil. There will be some pencil baskets at your table. You can take a pencil to write your name. We will not be using the glue or the scissors at the table. We only use those if we're doing a cutting and gluing project, and this is not one of those projects. There are erasers at your table to erase your pencil if you ever make a mistake. I'm going to take my pencil now, and if I know how, I'm going to write my name on the back of my paper, just like this. If you don't know how to write your name yet, that's okay. You can raise your hand and ask Miss Buettner for some help. I flipped my paper over so that my name is on the back, and now I'm going to start using my markers. At your table, you'll find a marker box, just like this. You will share these markers with the other friends at your table. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with whatever color I like. Open up my marker. I'm going to start with a dot on my paper. Anywhere is fine, just like that. Now from this dot, I'm going to use my marker to make a little bit of a bigger circle. Notice how I'm using the side of my marker, not the very tippy top. If I use the very tippy top, I can only make little tiny lines. If I use the side of my marker like this and I press, I can make really thick, big lines. So instead of using the tippy top, I turn it on the side and I use the side of the marker. So I'm going to put this marker away. I need to make sure the cap is on it, so I put it just like this and I snap it. Did you hear that? That means it's closed. We don't want our markers to dry out. Now I'm going to find a very new color, and I'm going to go around the first color. So I'm going to take my green and go around the purple, using the side of my marker to make a nice big thick line. I'm going to keep going around and around until I make a bigger circle. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to put this marker away and get a new color. I think I'll choose a pink color. I'm going to go around this green and make a bigger circle. I'm using the side of my marker to make a nice thick line. A big dot is going to turn into an even bigger dot. Okay, put this one away. I'm going to keep doing this and choosing new colors until I make a very, very, very big dot that goes all the way to the edges of my paper. I'm pressing the whole time and doing nice slow strokes of the marker. I'm not going too fast. I'm taking my time and being very careful. I'll switch to a new color, maybe some yellow. Ooh, I like how those colors look together. This is looking great. My dot is getting so big. Okay, I'm going to put the yellow away. Now I need to make sure I snap the cap. I think I'll use some blue. I'll go around the yellow. Nice big strokes. Okay, I'm going to keep picking some colors and making my dot bigger and bigger and bigger until it gets all the way to the edge. This is what my artwork looks like when I'm finished. Wow, that's a really big, beautiful, colorful dot. I went all the way to the edges of my papers using many different colors. I think this looks complete and done. All right, if I'm done, I can raise my hand and ask Miss Buettner what's next.